Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure WordPress. These are some of the things I like doing after installing WordPress. So if you have not checked on my video on the recent video I created on how to install WordPress, do to check on it. I'll drop a link in the description below if you are watching this on YouTube. And if you are watching this from our YouTube our website course, you can check the screen below to see the next lesson on how to install WordPress. So I want to just show you some things I like to put in place after installing WordPress, and follow along. Please subscribe here on our YouTube channel and subscribe to our email list to get notified when we create more courses on WordPress and other web design terminologies. So the first thing I like doing, so let me just quickly log out, so because I've just installed WordPress and I'm going to show you how you can log into your dashboard again. Let me just show you. For example, this is the website you see when you search. Let me just copy it and paste in the new tab. So that's the new tab. So this is what you see if you are not logging. So let me just log out from the dashboard. So let me refresh this. See now, it's like this is what you see when you log in. But how can when someone checks on a website, this is what you see. But how can you now log into your dashboard to start changing all these things that just look like print sheet here? So what you do is simply just click on this and type wp admin wp/admin. So just remove this so that you can in this. So it's here now. You decide to log in onto your website, and I have already saved my password here. Click on your email and the password you were given the first time, and you click on login here. So you click on login. So that's how to log into your dashboard after creating your website. And so you can log in from anywhere around the world, from any computer, from any device, even from your cell phone. You can log into your dashboard. So that's how easy it is to work with. That's why WordPress, that's another advantage why WordPress is very important and very good to work with, because you can decide to create your website from anywhere in the world. So that is for that. So one thing I like doing when I was creating a new website site, I want to do some configuration, and that's what I want to show you. You see here, you're seeing something like my blog, and I don't want this to show because this is my website name. I need something different, and that's what I want to show you, how to be able to configure that to show up. So how can we do that? So first of all, I want to see if there's any updates. You see here, when you first install your WordPress, because I installed the updated version of WordPress, so I don't need to get any updates here. But when you install WordPress, you see a little icon over here. You can just decide to update it. Since there's no update available, you go to post. You can go to post then and look at. So you go to post and check there. So what you do is that there's already a post that has been created directly here. So you click on it and you click. So you don't need this because it's just a test post to help you get going. So you can just move to trash here. So move to trash. Click apply. So you go to trash. Click delete permanently. So so you delete the first post by then clearing these things out. You can go to page. There's some sample page here which I don't think I really want. So I'm going to be creating a new page. Click on move the trash here. Create a new option. So you go to trash and you highlight everything, click apply. So what you do next is that you go to your plugin. Is very important. Like there are few plugins which are installed by your host, so or like there are two plugins here and I don't need them, so I just click here and delete them permanently. Apply. So I need to confirm, so I delete them because I don't need them. So that's how I really like learning this thing to leave, because I don't need them. So the next thing I like doing again is you go to users. I like updating my users, so you go to profile. So in this profile part, you see this is what you see, like this toolbar that shows when you click on your website. So this toolbar is very important. I really like it, but I do remove it after my site creation, but I really like it for now because this is what you see when you visit your site. Here, let me just show you. This bar here is very important because it helps you work, but when later I can remove it, but for now I'll leave it the same way. So you see here, let's go to profile. So this is your color, and I just want to leave that the same way. So this is what people see. Your designer cannot change this one. So this is what you want people to see when you're displaying them, or you can change it, but I just want to have a good display name. So this is what people will see when I comment or drop any comment, reply to people's comment, or post a blog post on my website. This name people will see. So I can decide to add other display name here. What people will see, which is publicly as so I want my public name to be manual, so I will let that be manual, or let me just use blog guru. So that's what people will see when I drop a comment. So here in this particular place is your gravas. This is what people will see when you comment on your photo. People will see when you comment on the forum or anything on the internet. So you can decide to change it here. So I don't need to change that now because of time. So you understand that already. You can, it's like your profile picture on Facebook. Let me just use for example. That is your website profile. If when you comment on a particular to anywhere in the internet, this is what will show. It's like content is connected to your email. Right? So that's how it works. So you can add your biography here, information of your profile, and yet later you can generate your password. If you want to change your password, just click generate password and get a new password, and you can change it as well. So log out here as well. So you click on update your profile. So you can add new users from here. So we'll not be doing that though. I just want to show you can add new users here from here. So maybe in our next course when we start going to blogging particularly, because we will learn how to add new users, and that's how to set up the sessions. And one thing I want to set up again, you go to settings, so you click on general settings. So here you can change your blog name to whatever you want. I can change your blog tagline, what you see beneath your blog. You can leave it empty, you can try to add something, but I don't want you to make the same mistake I made a particular day. So I would not want you to mingle with these things because they are very important. Because when you decide to change, let me see, remove the P for instance, you might not be able to access your blog anymore. So you must be careful not to make any adjustment display, except if you have the experience to do that. So I will not advise you to make with anything here. So I will not repeat the mistake I've already made before now, and I've learned from it. So this, you can just leave this the same way. So you can change this to your time zone, to any time zone. So this is my time zone here. I can just look for this, my time zone. Can look for your time zone. So I want to just pick something. Although it's not my time, I'll just pick some other time. Guys, just say go with this one. So this is my time zone, and you can change your dates. What you want your dates to display, you want your time to display, the format, and this what they want to be the first days in the week in your website. So that's how what you can just make the setup. So you can just save the changes. So there's one thing I want to still bring to your notice. This is the promo link, because they're very important as well. So working with permalink, so you can just click on permalink. So permalink, like the extension, you see how you want your blog, your domain name or your URL to display when people search for it. So you can decide, but I prefer using post name. Let's just make it very easy and simple for structure for you, but you can decide to choose any one you want, but I prefer using the post name. So I can just click save changes. That's how these are the basic configuration. I like medium with when I first start a new blog. And so let me just show you something. You can go to your dashboard to every. So you see here there are some basic things maybe you don't want to see, like this welcome to WordPress. You can decide to remove it, and this other stuff you can decide to remove it. So this is how you can remove it. Like if I don't want to see this one, welcome to WordPress team, I can decide to remove it, and that's how I can decide to remove this one as well, or anytime. But I just want to leave them there because I just want to leave them there the same way. So that's how we can, our next lesson will be taking on how to be able to start installing WordPress themes and how to start working with WordPress theme and building a website with element and other stuff. So for now I will stop here. So I want you to subscribe so to get notified and subscribe to our image. And if you're watching this from our website, because you can start our email so that you get the notification when we come. And if you are on our YouTube channel, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated. And I will suggest, if you are watching our YouTube channel, to register to enroll for our website course, because you have more knowledge of learning faster, because it's a sequential course, not like on WordPress where you just middle towards videos and watch different videos you might not really understand. But in our WordPress you have a better approach to learning, because where you use video and tests, you can read the content and watch it after getting the start working with them as well. And source code have been offered with when you come to coding and that stuff as well. And I want you to really advise to really enrich if you want to really learn more. The course link will be dropped on the description below, so you can enroll for our course on our website. Thank you very much. Subscribe and share this video. God bless you.